Use a square piece of paper. Begin with the colored side of your paper facing up. Fold your paper in half top to bottom and left to right. Fold an X on the back side of your paper. Collapse the sides to form a triangle and complete the base. Fold the outside flaps to line up with the center crease. Fold the outside corners of the outer flaps inward. Join opposite side flaps together. Blow up your tulip bulb. Peel the petals of your tulip back for a realistic effect.